Kaya pala walang tao sa marami talaga.
Ako lang sa hindi kasi hindi ko na-associate masyado parang more of
Uy, pag-aaral ko, wala pa.
You may think you see who I really am, but you never know me every day. It's I play a part. Now I see if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Ooh, it's that girl I see, staring straight back at me. When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in the world where I have to hide behind and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what inside my heart and be loved for who I am. It's that girl I see, staring straight back at me. Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Must I pretend I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly. But we don't need to know the reasons why must be concealed. What we think, how we feel, thus there'll be a secret the first to hide. I won't pretend that I'm someone else for all time. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show